If Share My Location is not working on your iPhone, is grayed out, or says unavailable in the Find My app or Messages app, here are some quick fixes that can solve the problem. First, open the Settings app and go to Privacy and Security. Then tap on Location Services and make sure Location Services is turned on at the very top. Now scroll down and tap on the Find My app. Set location access while using the app and make sure precise location is enabled. This is important because accurate location sharing won't work without precise location access. After that, scroll all the way down and tap on System Services. Then make sure Find My iPhone is turned on. Next, go back to the main settings page and open Screen Time. Scroll down to Content and Privacy Restrictions. If location services are restricted here, it can stop location sharing from working properly. You can temporarily turn off content and privacy restrictions or allow location changes. Now go back again and tap on General. Scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset and choose Reset Location and Privacy. This restores all location permissions to default and often fixes Share My Location issues on iPhone. Once that's done, restart your iPhone completely. A simple reboot can fix temporary iOS bugs and glitches that affect location sharing. Also, make sure your iPhone has a stable internet connection and the latest iOS update installed under General and tap on Software Update. After completing these steps, Share My Location should start working normally again in the Find My and Messages apps. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone troubleshooting tutorials.